Hey guys, Coach Gaglione here. Today we're going to talk about another cardio machine that I like. This is the rower. So kind of the downside of the rower, it's a little bit of a learning curve. It's a little more technical than obviously walking or doing a bike. I do think it's a good option, and I do think it's a nice change of pace. I do like it's going to work more of your upper back. It is a total body movement, but you can kind of emphasize upper body a little bit more if you like. There's also some things I could do on it to kind of warm up. One consideration I'm not going to do today, but it's just worth mentioning. It does require some ankle mobility, so doing this in a weightlifting shoe, doing this in a heeled shoe can be a benefit. I want you guys to see my foot mechanics a little bit. A lot of people rely on the strap too much. And a lot of people will kind of pull with the arms way too early. You want to kind of get full extension, push with the legs first, get long, and then kind of pull through. Admittedly, my technique is not great on this, but I just want to give you guys a general idea. I'm not an Olympic rower. I'm not trying to be in a rowing team, but I do think there's some general mechanics and general considerations, even if you're just kind of using this as a recreational tool or just improve your conditioning. So a couple of things. What I like to do, what I learned from actually Dr. Sean Baker, is to warm up actually without using the strap. So that's a kind of good way to kind of keep yourself honest. So if you could row without the strap effectively, the strap's only going to give you more stability. It's almost kind of like, you know, squatting without a belt. It's going to kind of take that support and stability away, and then when you kind of add it, you're only going to be better. So I want to try to kind of keep good contact with the pad and kind of do a leg press to kind of get things started. So I want to kind of fully extend and then kind of finish with my arms later. So even this would be it's a nice easy pace. So I'm pushing with my legs and then finishing with my arms. So I don't need, and again, I'm not perfect, I'm losing a little bit of contact here, but again, using without the strap is a great way to warm up and also teach you the skill to make sure you have good contact. Now I'm going to use the strap. You're going to see I could be a lot more aggressive on this if I want to do interval training or just go a little bit faster. I can make this a little bit tighter. That's going to give me something to kind of push into and hold myself. I can go a lot harder and faster with the strap. And I can kind of adjust the angle. You can notice I'm not pulling with my arms too early. I'm just kind of pushing it forward, looking back, pushing it forward, looking back. So I'm getting a lot of work with my legs, my upper back. Great way to warm up, great way to use for both low intensity work for a long duration, or you can do intervals, kind of like when we went over with the bike, where you have like 20-second sprint, 40 seconds jogging pace, or that sort of thing. So that's how you do the rower. Again, my technique's not perfect, so learn the technique, warm up without the straps, get a feel for it, then put the straps on. If you guys enjoyed the video, check out the links below. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay strong. We'll see you soon.